Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a new level and load that level using Unity Playground. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but all that a level is a scene in your game. And if you go to assets and scenes, you will find your scene for this level. So it's stored in this file, and if I want to create a new level, and I'm going to take a bit of a shortcut here. Usually you can go right click, create scene, and then start all over and create your scene as we did before. Okay, but I'm taking a shortcut as I told you, and I'm going to select my old scene and Control D on that to create another scene. So it's an exact duplicate. Okay, so if I open up scene 2, it's going to show me the exact same thing. So I'm just going to move things around here, but so that we know. Okay, let's just remove this B completely. I'm going to move this key up here, and let's change some of this so that we know when we have actually loaded our new scene. So 2D top palette. Let's just fold this a little bit here. All the way here. Okay, now it looks different enough from level 1. This is just for demonstration purposes, right? Can get rid of that key over there. Okay, and I can save that. So now I've got two different scenes, scene 1, scene 2. Okay, different enough, right? So coming from scene 1, we now need a way to load that new level. So I'm going to go to the end of my level here, which is the treasure chest, and look, we can put the script on the treasure chest, but that doesn't make it that reusable. So let's just create an empty object, and I'm going to call this end of level, and I had one already from testing earlier. So okay, end of level, you're going to go add a component, collider, and let's make it a box collider 2D, and it's over here. Let's move that down to where the treasure chest is. So look, there is a collider on the treasure chest already. It doesn't matter that we are putting this on the treasure chest. It just means that the collider for the treasure chest is going to trigger, and the collider for this end of level is going to trigger as well. And we are going to make this a trigger, a component, and we are looking for condition collision filter by tag player. So only when the player collides with this will it take effect. And click on the plus under gameplay actions, plus over here, load level action. Okay, scene to load. Our scene's name is scene 2, so let's go and find scene 2 is not over here. So what we need to do is go into build settings, and you'll see as level 2. I'm going to delete that because that was the old level name that I was experimenting with by myself. Okay, so you can drag and drop your scene 2 up here, just like that. Make sure it's there, and you don't need to click build or build and run. That's all you need to do is just add it in here, and you can close it. Now it should pick up here, and you'll find scene 2. So if I press play, and I go towards level, let's go to the end, and nothing happened. What did I do wrong? Maybe it's not supposed to be a trigger. It's not supposed to be a trigger. My bad. And cool. It loads the next level, but the problem is it loads it instantly, and that is a limitation of working with Unity Playground. There are ways around it. You can write your own scripts, but that is not the intention of this course. This is just a quick intro into Unity and using Unity Playground. And Unity Playground's not meant for big production level games. For that, you need to learn to write scripts and do it the proper way. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for that. That was simple enough, I think. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. And yeah, if you guys want to see any new features or anything else, then just let me know. Okay, until next time, enjoy.